To assemble the products in a retail store, one has to understand the different product categories as well as the different departments in a store. The products can then be displayed on the basis of the type of product, the promotional offers, and the promotional schemes.